Hi, my beauties! We've got something pretty in pink, and it's combined with glitter. You don't want to miss this one out. Starting off with that light concealer as a primer and making the perfect base for the eyeshadows. Setting it all with that lace and powder, and then adding that beautiful pink eyeshadow as a transition shade to the eyes. That super cute pink is definitely the prettiest shade I've ever seen. And we're giving the eyes the nicest shape with this dark pink on top. Time to add that super dark eyeshadow on the outer corners to give them just the right definition. Let's bring it all the way to the inner corners for a little bit. Her blending skills are super amazing. I wish I had her skills as well. Let's make that cut crease super sharp and light with that concealer. That end of the cut crease obviously needs some shaping. That vibrant pink all over the lids makes just the perfect outcome. Oh my god, I definitely love this one. And the combination of shades is just the prettiest. A little bit of that orange on top makes the blending way easier. I bet you didn't expect those inner corners to be that light, but we've got something special for you coming right up. This shiny pink glitter on top definitely makes the prettiest result. It's define time. I am definitely loving where this is going so far. That liquid eyeliner gives the eyes just the right definition they deserve. Let's smoothen that line on the outer corners to spice it up a bit. The lower lashes obviously need some of that love as well. Shiny brow bones and inner corners make this makeup look perfect. A little bit of mascara on the lashes and a cute pair of falsies on top moves this makeup look on top of everyone's lists.